guys, this is the Hohem iSteady V2 AI tracking gesture control function. It's so simple. You set the gimbal up, you press the button on the top, and then you are good to go. You walk back with your phone camera filming you. You can give 2 thumbs up and rotate your thumbs to the side to tell it to flip to being portrait mode, or do the same gesture in reverse to go back to horizontal. You then give the OK sign with your hand to start recording if you haven't already, and if you're using the Hohem Gimbals app. You then walk around, the camera will automatically pan to follow your every movement and keep you in the frame, and then when you're finished recording, you just give it a stop sign. It's that simple, and it's a very impressive feature for this gimbal to have, which not many other gimbals have, and I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun playing with it and it'll be useful for your videos. Thanks for watching.